Hello everyone, I know a lot of us have the same problem with this Team T2 not connecting correctly, and then I actually found a method to fix it. I'm just going to show everyone real quick how to do it. So basically, you see how the center, it's a little hole that you have to insert the center pin into it, and then when that got enlarged, that's when we have a problem with not connecting correctly. So what you do is take a tweezer, try to focus it, and then you want to find, basically it's like two half circle. So you want to find here. You want to find the opposite end of it, and then kind of just squeeze it, try to close it up a little bit. Yeah, don't do it too hard. Do a few try. If it's not working, do a little more until you got a good connection. Yeah, that's it. Hope this helps.